I got this strange request from bctruck. He wants to know what's in my refrigerator. Well, there's probably not much in it. It's been over a month since I've been to the city to buy groceries. And forewarning to you, buddy, this is a redneck refrigerator, so you just never know what you'll find in it. But I think I have a little bit of chicken. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, that's not what I was thinking. Oh, that's more like it. Of course, along with chicken, I do have several eggs on hand. You know, I don't have much bacon. I do have the next best thing, and that's butter. Lots of butter. Oh yeah, love my butter. Butter, chicken, and eggs. I'm set for another month. Hey, Pilotero 12, what's in your refrigerator?